Your bank account isn't broken. Your habits are unionized. Every dollar tries to escape, and somehow you help it. These are 11 dumb money habits screaming, "I'll be broke forever." Not whispering, screaming through a megaphone into your overdraft. Habit 1, spending first, thinking later. You don't make a purchase, you have a financial reflex. See it, want it, buy it, regret it. That's not shopping. That's emotional whack-a-mole with a debit card. The fix is boring, which means it actually works. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential stuff. If you still want it tomorrow, maybe it's real. If you forget it tomorrow, congratulations, your brain was bored. Habit 2, buying little treats like you're emotionally sponsored by snacks. 1 coffee won't ruin you. 7 little treats daily might. $8 a day is $240 a month. That's not a treat. That's a subscription to staying annoyed. Keep treats. Just stop pretending they're invisible. Give yourself a treat budget, not a treat accident. Habit 3, subscriptions breeding in the dark. You signed up for a free trial during a weak moment. Now it's charging you like a tiny vampire. $15 here, $12 there, $9.99 forever. And you don't cancel because checking feels like adult homework. Audit subscriptions every month. Cancel anything you forgot existed. If you forgot it existed, it clearly wasn't changing your life. Habit 4, paying fees like banks need your charity. Overdraft fee, late fee, ATM fee, convenience fee. Convenient for who, exactly? The villain? Fees are money leaks with official paperwork. Automate bills, set alerts, use your bank like it owes you respect. Habit 5, minimum payments on credit cards. Minimum payments feel responsible. That's the costume. Underneath, interest is doing push-ups in your basement. If the rate is 25%, urgency is not optional. That's not debt. That's a raccoon with a calculator. Pay more than minimum or freeze the card. Literally freezing it is childish. Also, maybe effective. Habit 6, lifestyle inflation with a fake mustache. You got a raise, then immediately upgraded your problems. Better apartment, better phone, better brunch, same anxiety. More income doesn't help if every dollar gets promoted to spending. The trick is keeping some boring before the upgrade circus arrives. Save half of every raise before you feel rich. Feeling rich is expensive. Being rich is quieter. Habit 7, buying cheap stuff that dies dramatically. Cheap is amazing until you buy it 3 times. $20 3 times is not cheaper than $50 once. Your bargain toaster shouldn't have a retirement ceremony. This doesn't mean buy luxury. Calm down, finance peacock. Buy value. Not cheapest, not fanciest. Value. Habit 8, eating your budget through delivery apps. Delivery food is a beautiful tax on being tired. Then fees appear, like tiny goblins wearing aprons. Meal, delivery fee, service fee, tip, emotional damage. Again, order sometimes. You're not a medieval monk. Keep emergency meals at home for weeknights. Frozen pizza is cheaper than pretending you're a tired millionaire. Habit 9, confusing sale prices with saving money. You didn't save $40 if you spent $60. Spending less than retail is still spending. Stores don't run sales because they love your future. They run sales because your brain loves fake victory. Ask one question. Would I buy this full price? If not, it's not a deal. It's bait with better lighting. Habit 10. No emergency fund, but somehow premium everything. Your tire explodes, and suddenly your phone plan has better coverage than you. Start with $500. Not perfect, useful. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It makes bad luck less dramatic. Then build 1 month of expenses. Then 3. Peace is boring until chaos invoices you. Habit 11. Avoiding your numbers because vibes feel safer.
Your budget isn't a monster. It's a mirror with receipts. And yes, sometimes the mirror says, bro. Check your money once a week. Same day, same time. 10 minutes. No drama, no financial seance. Look at income. Look at spending. Look at what's leaking. Awareness is not magic, but it beats panic. Here's the annoying truth nobody puts on a hoodie. Staying broke usually isn't one giant disaster. It's tiny habits quietly stealing your oxygen. Tiny leaks become rent-sized problems. That's why the first win is not becoming perfect. Perfect people are annoying and usually lying. Pick one leak this week. Cancel one subscription. Cook one backup meal. Wait 1 day before buying the nonsense goblin item. One habit fixed is momentum. Momentum is how you stop feeling hunted by your own bank app. You don't need to become a spreadsheet monk. You just need to stop funding your future regrets. Spend with intention. Save before vibes. Attack fees. Do that, and your money finally gets a bodyguard. Ignore it, and your wallet keeps living in witness protection. Because broke forever isn't a destiny. It's a habit collection. And dude, yours needs eviction.